We sure do have some exciting weather to talk about over the next 48 hours, don't we? Look at this. Heavy rain, flooding possible, and wind gusts upwards of 30 miles per hour are going to be possible today, tonight, and even tomorrow in parts of the South Carolina low country. Right now, let's get you caught up on what's going on right now, Wednesday at 9:33. What do you know? The one day that we have rain and weather to talk about, the Columbia radar site happens to be down. So we have to use the Charleston radar site, which we might as well be using anyway because that's where all the action is going on right now. Light showers that are heavy at times. No thunderstorms are showing up on the radar right now over Jasper, Beaufort, and Hampton counties, and especially over the open Atlantic Ocean. All of this still has to move inland, so we're going to expect rain coverage to increase this morning and also this afternoon, and especially parts of Charleston County, the Tri-County, and further up the coast. Some folks in the upstate and southeast North Carolina probably won't see any rain, with the heaviest concentration being in the South Carolina low country. The best that we'll do today is going to be low to mid 80s. We're going to have that easterly wind at about 7 to 9 miles per hour. That's going to help draw more humidity and moisture inland, and that's going to increase our rain chance, especially tonight, making the radar look something like this around 2 o'clock in the morning, with the heaviest concentration of heavy rain in the Charleston Metro area. So this is going to be an overnight event, overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. It's going to be dark and flooding is going to be possible. We'll talk about rainfall amounts in just a minute. But at the same time this is going on, the wind speeds are going to pick up, and it's going to expect to be gusty at around 20 miles per hour in the upstate and in the Midlands. It's already gusty here in the low country. Just walking in this morning, we're expecting wind gusts to pick up at around 30 to 40 miles per hour in the Charleston Metro and on down into Hilton Head. Those winds are going to continue into daybreak tomorrow morning, and we should see rainfall amounts at a degree very similar to the National Weather Service, upwards of 5 to maybe 6 inches of rain. Now, it's important to note that the high tide for Charleston Harbor is at 4:10 this afternoon. It's not a king tide, but nonetheless still a high tide, so 5 to 6 inches of rain on top of that could definitely lead to some flooding in the usual spots and other low-lying areas. We're looking at 5.25 for James Island, around 6 inches for North Charleston. Further up, northern Charleston County, a little bit less, 1 to 3 inches, and same story in the western end, say Hollywood, Edisto Island. So the main focus this afternoon looks to be in downtown Charleston. That makes it a little bit more exciting. Should we really be panicking about this? Well, not really a full-blown panic, but just kind of in the middle. We're worried about it, we're watching it, but nothing to really write home about. That rain chance will continue into tomorrow. Friday we get a rain chance, but it's a lot more scattered, a lot more isolated, not as widespread as it's going to be today and tomorrow. Saturday that rain chance kind of lingers, but then look into Sunday, we get another chance of rain, and that looks to be likely on Sunday. Rain chances upwards of 70%. Next week, the rain chance looks to end on Monday. Temperatures are going to be going back up to 90, and we still haven't hit 95 degrees yet this year. The highest we'll go this week is 92, and that's going to be on Saturday. So lots of weather to talk about. We got this tropical wave, and we've got dangerous rip currents, and we've got heat building our way next week.